गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। डे 2 ऑफ ग्लोबल वाइल्ड लाइफ फेयर स्टार्ट हो चुका है। कल का दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा और आज भी एनर्जी डबल है। तो आज भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी फेयर के कुछ नए रंग, नए एक्सपीरियंसेस। सो शुरू करते हैं आज का दिन। हम जा रहे हैं कॉफ़ी शॉप की तरफ। सुबह सुबह का टाइम है और सब लोग कॉफ़ी के लिए खड़े हुए हैं। हाय नीर,
Hi,
क्या
good
ले रहे हो
morning.
आप?
I will take this puri cheese bun and this mushroom which I have never tried both of them, so I want to try both of them. Do you want coffee?
यस ऑफ कोर्स, थैंक यू।
This is good. Nice.
The rhythm of music filled the air and the crowd grew larger. People from every corner came to experience the wild world together. The day was packed with lectures and talks, inspiring sessions about birding habitat, wildlife tourism, and conservation. Each speaker brought a new perspective, reminding us how deeply connected we are with nature. From experts sharing their field experiences to companies presenting new ways of exploring wildlife, it was a day of learning, sharing, and collaboration. For us, it was one of the busiest days. So many people stopped by our stalls, curious to know about birding in Uttarakhand, about Sattal, Munsyari, and the Himalayan bird life we love to share.
Okay, thank you. 6 o'clock. And so these are photos from Colombia. This shows you what you can see in Colombia. That's beautiful. The macaws always travel together in pairs. They love for life.
What if one of them is died off?
Then they find another one. Now, so here's the thing. If you have one of these and you cut their wings so you could keep them as a pet, a wild one will come and live with the one who has the cut wings, just so they can be together. This bird has so much love, and this is a pair. They always fly together, they live together, they love each other for life. This is a dinosaur. Yes, it is. It is. It has all of the style of a dinosaur. Very little evolution. This, I haven't told the story today, you're the first person. So I'm going to tell the story, okay? So, this is the long-tailed sylph. All right, this is the male.
Okay.
Okay, so you hold it, and I'll tell you from this under, over. There you go. So they have long tails, and the female has no long tail. They just look normal.
Oh, so this is the sign you can find like which is male or which is female.
Yes. So the females, they look for the male with the longest tail. There's a reason. Well, tell me, what do you think?
I don't know.
Because the longer the tail, the harder it is to fly. And they look at the long tail and they say, whoa, he's got a long tail. He must be strong. That's a true story.
Okay, so everywhere female is a choosy one, right?
Exactly. And then this is the sword-billed hummingbird with a long beak because he has to get all the way into the top of the flowers. How you doing?
¿Cómo está?
Greetings. Ay, no, ¿hablas español?
Un poquito solamente.
Ah, bueno.
And yes, we too presented.
We now have a presentation titled Bird Life of Uttarakhand and Birding Opportunities by Quantum Explorer Incorporation. This session will be presented by Mr. Neerdiv Bankoti, who will share his knowledge and experiences on the promising birding destinations of Uttarakhand. So, sir, please, I welcome you to the stage.
Destination is there Chopta, which comes under the Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, and it is very popular destination. It is the best place in India to see monarch. Nowhere else you get those kind of shots, those kind of sightings in monarch. Chopta is one of the place where you get to see the Himalayan monarch 100%. And this is Corbett. This bird is here. By the way, Chopta. This is the real photograph of Chopta, and it is the February month. And you get to photograph the bird and monarch in snow. The next is Corbett. Corbett is a very popular destination. Corbett is around 550 birds, and Corbett is exactly the same distance as Sattal, and it is 70 kilometers from Sattal, 300 kilometers from Delhi. And this bird here is ibis bill, which will come down to the Corbett River, which is the Kosi River in November month, and you get to photograph this bird from November to this fair end. A few pairs come. This is the uniqueness of this bird is this is the only bird in its family. Like you have many kind of warblers, you have many kind of parakeets. Even there are some species of monarch, but ibis bill is the only species that is in its family. And right inside is the Rani Cave. Rani Cave is the best place for two pheasants. People go there for just two pheasants. One is cheer pheasant and another one is koklas. And it's the best place to see the cheer pheasant. Cheer pheasant you find it from Uttarakhand, from mid of Nepal to some areas of Kashmir. So it is a Western Himalaya endemic pheasant. There are only 4 birds which are endemic to Western Himalaya. Cheer pheasant is one of them. So if you want to do a good sighting of cheer pheasant, then you have to come to Uttarakhand only.
It felt amazing to showcase our home turf, the hills, forest, and the vibrant diversity of birds that makes Uttarakhand a paradise for birdwatchers. मुझे ब्लॉग बनाने का टाइम नहीं मिला एक्चुअली. मैंने कुछ चीज़ें शूट करी. आज बहुत ज़्यादा रश था, तो हमें स्टॉल में काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला. सो नाउ वी आर shooting. So what are you holding this?
So
What's
this is a platypod delta. This is a smaller version of what they have and what they sell. And this is actually a support for cameras or any other equipment that uses 3/8 or 1/4 inch mounts.
Okay.
Okay? Like for example, you can put an adapter on this and you can use a GoPro, you can put an audio recorder, a light, or anything you want. And you can also strap it to a tree or any other surface, or a pole, or wherever you want to do it. We're showing this weekend a bird sound recorder that uses artificial intelligence to actually record bird sounds and tell you the species.
Oh, wow.
And that can also connect to this. And that's what we use this for mostly.
Okay.
So this is the platypod. You pull out the legs. They're fully adjustable. They have spikes inside. You can take these off, or you can use them on the spikes. And then you have a flat surface. But what do you do with this? Well, here's a tripod head, standard 3/8, standard 3/8. Now you have the shortest tripod.
For the low angle.
Exactly. So let's just say I'm at a wetland and I have a nesting duck that I want to capture. Okay? You can go down there and you can do it by hand and you can hold it and you can get really good shots. I can get really good shots that way. But if you're a videographer and you need to get rid of all that micro shake, all of it, what do? You need a support. And how many tripods can go down to that small and be 100% solid? Not very many. So that thing is solid. And it's also designed to distribute the weight around the actual tripod mount. So I got my tripod mount here. I'm just going to screw this into the bottom. And there you go. There's my mount. I've got it here. Make sure you extend the legs. And that's it. Now you have the standard tripod adjustments.
This is cool.
The head has a level on it. And it's a regular ball head. Now you can use any tripod mount. You can use any device that uses a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch. And now, what happens is, now I'm on the ground. And I can look through here and take the shot. And be totally 100% solid. Or
The Global Wildlife Fair was not just about tours, cameras, and fieldwork. It was also about creativity, where local communities showcased their art, craft, and culture. This platform gave them global exposure, helping their work reach people who truly value authenticity. These crafts not only support local livelihoods but also promote sustainability and ecotourism, reminding us that conservation begins with community. This looks so cute. So where did you get this?
Is my collection personal birds of Colombia.
Oh, so all Colombian birds.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't have any room in my bag. I need to put Indian stuff.
By evening, we were tired but so content. It had been a long, inspiring day, full of conversations, smiles, and learning. The dinner gathering felt special, everyone happy, everyone connected by the same love for wildlife. It truly felt like being a part of one big family. कुछ इस तरीके से आज का दिन हमारा गया। जैसा कि आपने देखा, ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग रही हमारी, डिनर के साथ म्यूज़िक एंड टू गैदरिंग्स। सो कल से बेटर था आज का दिन। आज काफ़ी रश था, काफ़ी लोग आए आज विज़िट करने। आज वीकेंड भी था तो दिल्ली से भी काफ़ी लोग आए। और या कल का दिन और बेटर होने वाला है, और वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग यंग वंस ऑल्सो टुमारो। सो लेट्स सी, कल मिलते हैं फिर। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।